Hi, welcome back. I'm busy doing the ironing, as you can see, and I have made a bit of a time lapse there, and I'll share more of it as I've got to get the ironing done for the next guests before they arrive. So let's get on with it. Most of the laundry finished, and I've got the last sheet to pack away, so let's go and pack it away. So here's the laundry cupboard, and I'm just about to put the last sheet in that has just been ironed, and it's ready for when we make the beds for the next guest's arrival. And this is our laundry cupboard, all sorted out: towels, sheets, robes, everything that is needed to run the hotel. It even keeps the linen warm. There. Yay! Yay! The laundry's done. I feel so relieved when everything's done and everything's all cleaned up and ready to go. And for the guests, and when they come, it's all wonderful and fresh. It's just a great feeling when you've done it. But that's quite a lot of work. I've had 4 rooms booked out and had to do all those sheets and pillowcases, and it's all done now. So if you don't mind, if you go down and subscribe below this vlog, click the subscribe button. And if you're not registered, just register on YouTube. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. And then you can see all the vlogs that I make. It helps with your algorithms. Please help me. And then like, share, and give me comments, whatever you like to do. It'll be wonderful. But next week, I'm going on holiday. And I'm going to take you with. And it's going to be a surprise. So let's hope you're going to enjoy the trip. And I'll catch you next time. Ciao for now.